Welcome back, 3DSSPP users. I'm Kelly with the University of Michigan Center for Ergonomics, and I am continuing to share with you some information and insights about the 3DSSPP software developed at the University of Michigan. This time I am going to be showing you the Hand Grasp Angles menu. If I navigate to the Task Input drop-down menu and scroll almost to the very bottom and select Hand Grasp Angles, that will cause the Hand Grasp Angles menu to appear. This is the menu where we can manipulate the fingers of our avatar in order to more accurately represent their positions when performing the job task in question. You can see that from the left to right, the menu is broken into individual fingers from thumb to little finger. Below each finger you will see a number of dialog boxes that correspond to several joints in each finger that can be manipulated via flexion, abduction, pronation, or lateral abduction. Each of the full names of the abbreviations representing the various joints in the finger can be located at the bottom of the Hand Grasp Angles menu. I'll change the camera angle of the hominoid view of our avatar so that we can more closely see the changes in the finger angles, and then we can start changing the way this person's hands are situated. If I select digit 2, or index finger, on the right hand in the MCP section, or metacarpal phalangeal joint, to change the angle of, I can start scrolling my mouse wheel up to change the abduction dialog box, and we can see our avatar's finger start to move to the left. If I use my mouse scroll wheel to increase the flexion dialog box, then we can see our avatar's index finger bending towards their palm. If we go down to the PIP, or proximal interphalangeal joint, and DIP, or distal interphalangeal joint, sections of this particular finger, we will be getting further and further toward the tip of our avatar's finger, which we can change the flexion of those joints as well. If you look at the right-hand side of this menu, you'll see that there are some preset hand positions that you can select for hand grasp angles. These preset postures include neutral, point, cup, and grasp, and these can be used to quickly get yourself close to the actual hand grasp angle that you're looking for in your 3DSSPP analysis. These will not have an impact on the low back compression and strength calculations at this point, but it can sometimes be good to represent your avatar in a more precise manner than simply having an open-handed avatar while simulating the job task you are analyzing. That's all for this video in setting hand grasp angles. Check out further videos in this 3DSSPP tutorial series to learn more about how the software can help you analyze physical demands in the workplace. Thanks for watching.